Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna play Subway Surf.
Me and Safe. Don't worry. We are sisters and brothers.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Her name is Sam, my name is Safe, and she's my sister. And I'm gonna play for you. So you might tell me I'm a pro, or I've heard this game so many times. So let's try.
And even there's lots of people like that game.
Yeah, kind of thing.
Yeah.
So let's start.
And
No, I don't want to update the app. Sorry. Now, oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna play now. Now.
and play. There's emojis like that.
This is not an emoji. She sometimes doesn't know a bit words, but
Yeah, this is right.
ouch, ouch. No, please. I wonder why, but I don't want to waste the keys. My
Okay.
sister would kill me.
Yeah. I do
That's
not
how my
like my
sister-
brothers to do that. This is my tablet, not theirs.
Sorry. Yes, do a backflip, bro. Yeah. No, it's not good. It's the worst thing. Yeah, this is how you do it. Son. You need to make us spell the word son, seriously. This is the worst game ever, really. Why is this my first video published anyway?
But actually, me and Safe like that game. I'm a noob at that. So Safe choose to play because I
Yay,
could
we're
use a lot.
done. And
You shouldn't do the word son and word.
no, please, police. What? Why is he running away?
I don't know.
Yeah, he doesn't want to catch me.
He's dumb.
More like death.
Why?
The mystery box.
You have now 2 mystery boxes.
No, oh my gosh. Oh my god.
2 mystery boxes for Safe. And he's a pro.
Okay guys, so here we came back. And let's play another game. Called Good. Today we're gonna play the game. First time I'm gonna play is Geometry Dash.
And we all love it. I love it too.
Yeah, she plays it. I never played it. Maybe. Let's check. Wait.
But actually my brother, he finished it for me.
Yeah. Again, a big noob at it. So let me try again. Yeah. So
Let's
wait.
see.
This
No,
is how-
no, no.
Wait. This is how you jump, right?
Yeah.
Easy, bro. This is really easy.
But it will be hard in the word skeleton.
Skeleton.
In the skeleton.
Oh no, this is the easiest. This is really easy. The skeleton part's really easy. Really.
But for me, no.
Can you
because
please-
I'm small.
Can you please stop talking?
Yes,
Oh, oh my god.
Us?
This is so cool. This is cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
I once came to this part.
My sister is so talkative. Selma, can you please stop talking?
Never.
Please, I'm playing a game and you're making me not concentrate.
Okay, concentrating.
Guys, I wish my recording was mute from all her talking. Guys, I'm joking. Of course not. Talking is good,
Yeah.
but not in videos.
Yeah.
Especially in my videos.
Why?
Because
Because what? Tell me the answer. Whole answer. Really?
what? My story is nothing. Sorry guys.
There was
Where's the
actually
X button?
this was a problem. They had ad.
Let's restart.
Yep, we're eating the full popcorn. Okay.
Oh my
Let's
gosh.
complete our game.
I'm a big noob, really guys.
But before you were a pro on it, what happened to you?
I don't know.
Try to win this time.
Fine. Da, 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 da. Yeah, oh.
I love this part. Skeleton!
Oh my gosh. She's so loud, but we died from her noisy. You know, I hate this game, so.
Let's play another game. Love ball.
Okay. My sister says, let's play Love Balls.
Let's play.
Guys, in each video, we might play 2 games or 3 games. Today, we're gonna play 3 games because this is my first video. Love Ball is really hard, actually.
But I did the easy levels to defeat my brother. But I cannot. My brother has deleted it. I don't know why. And let's only practice that. My first video.
Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, what?
What happened?
What? Wow. Oh, this? I'm here. I'm in Earth. Huh. Oh, now I understand the game.
Come here.
Oh my gosh.
I hate the ads. So that's an ad. Don't care about the ad.
Come on, go to the slide, dude. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Got it without the hint.
I don't know how they love each other because I feel like blue is the opposite of pink.
Yeah.
Wow.
Who's gonna know? That's the weirdest name actually. We're sorry guys, the iPad is only 5%.
It's a tablet, bro. It's not an iPad.
Oh, I forgot. I don't know. When the iPad gets off,
Oh, what? Oh, he died.
you see, I know how to do it.
Stop show offing.
I know how to do it. Give me
Stop
them.
show offing. Give me. No way.
I can.
Yay!
I think this was Grand Grade that I did.
They both died.
Yeah. That's the weird part. Right, guys?
Yeah. For today, guys, I'm sorry. We're gonna finish. So then don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Please. Please, if you even smash one like button, I'll play with my sister Stickman and we might show you us in the camera. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button and the like button too. No hates, please.
Or
Thank
we'll
you.
kill you.